In this video, we're going to go through the proper installation of our Monarch flash hider onto this Seekins SP10. It has a 5/8 24 barrel, and we are running a 30 cal 5/8 24 Monarch. So thread it on like anything else, righty tighty. If you want to use red Loctite or rock set, you can. Be aware it's going to be significantly more difficult to remove in the future. With our torque wrench set between 20 to 30 foot-pounds, in this case we have it at 25 foot-pounds, index the tool onto the brake or onto the flash hider and give it your torque. Now you're set. Now with a tommed adapter in the can, lefty tighty in this case, and if you want to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, you can give it a little extra with the tool.